Good morning, class 8. Welcome all of you in this math period. Algebra I have already studied, and I am telling once again, algebra is a very important branch of mathematics. You will listen carefully and you will try to understand, and then you will try to solve the questions. Today we will learn factorization. I have already started factorization. But today these three types of questions, factorizing difference of a square, this is a formula, algebraic identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And if the trinomials are in this form, x square plus bx plus c, so how will you factorize? And factorization of trinomials, if the trinomials are in this form, ax square plus bx plus c. So I explained these three types of questions with three examples. Now you see factorize. So you should understand these three methods. First, suppose exercise 6e. You will see first 6e factorize a square minus 4. Now you can see we have to obtain this, we have to change in this form a square minus b square. But here a square is given, this is 4. So you can understand 4 is the square of 2. So you can write here a square minus 2 square. Now you can compare these two terms by the given identities. This is in this form, and this is written in this form, a plus b into a minus b. I have already told you the factorization means to write the algebraic expression in form of product. So product and factorization, these two are opposite to each other. So this will be a plus b, so here a plus 2 and a minus b. It means a minus 2. That's all. This is factorization, very simple. But this question, a square minus, ऐसा नहीं है कि all the question will be in this given. You have some question, just say suppose here 4 is not in the square, so you can rewrite 4 in the form of a square, then you will use this formula a plus b, a minus b, a plus 2, a minus 2. And if you multiply these two, you will get the same given expression, a square minus 4. So this is the factorization. I explain another question. Suppose now you see 81 minus x minus 7 whole square. Now you see, there may be some changes. So this is the square of 9, and this is already given, x minus 7 whole square. Now you can compare, this is in this form, a square, here 9 square, b square, here x minus 7 whole square. This is a plus b, so this will be a plus b, b means x minus 7, and a minus b, x minus 7. Now you remove the bracket, here is plus, so no sign change, 9 plus x minus 7, and this will be 9 minus x plus 7. Here, crucial step, here negative sign, so this will be changed into plus. These two are like terms, you can simplify. So you can write this three terms x, and this will be plus 2. And here will be minus x, and this will be 16. So these are the factorization of this. So, my dear students, this is in the form of, you will try to solve, and if the questions are not given that form, you will try to obtain in the form a square minus b square, and then you will use that identity. Now you see in this form, how will you So 6a, if the questions are in this form. Now you see, first question, 6f. A squared plus 5a plus 6. Now if you compare, this is in this form. X squared, here a squared, here is bx, here is 5a, c, here is 6. इसके लिए क्या करते हैं, जो कांस्टेंट टर्म है इसको हम फैक्टर निकालते हैं इक्वल टू इन दर 6 is equal to 1 into 6 or 6 is equal to 2 into 3. These two pairs of factors of 6. Now you have to choose one pair so that the sum should be 5. Product will be surely 6 because these are the factors of 6. So these cannot be taken. These are the factors. So इसको कहते हैं splitting the middle term. 5 को split कर रहे हैं. 5 का splitting तो बहुत से हो सकता है. 4 plus 1, 6 minus 1, 7 minus 2, 3 plus 2. But 3 plus 2 is in the appropriate factors. Splitting the middle term, it is known as. So a square. 5 को हम split कर रहे हैं 2a plus 3a. You can change the order changing, there is no change in the solution. Now you make the pair. What is common in these two? A is common, here a plus 2. And what is common in these two? 3 is common. Because 6 means 3 into 2. So 3 is common, plus 3. And here will be a plus 2. One thing important, ये जो दोनों term हैं दोनों same आना चाहिए. And then we will find again the common. What are common? A plus 2 common, and other terms, remaining term a, and this is plus 3. These are the factorization of a square plus 5a plus 6. इसको देखिए, जो constant term है इसको factor निकालेंगे आप. इस फैक्टर में एक पेयर ऐसा आएगा जिसका इंटू करने से तो 6 ही आएगा या जो भी नंबर रहेगा, लेकिन उसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे दोनों फैक्टर को. ये मिडिल टर्म आना चाहिए. इसको कहते हैं, यू विल लर्न इन क्लास 9, फैक्टराइजेशन बाय स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म. सो यू विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन 6f. So very simple question you will try to solve. Now you see the last factorizing the trinomial if the polynomials are in this form. What form? ax squared plus bx, and this will be 6g exercise. So better we will understand with the questions, with the solution. So now you see 4x squared plus 5x plus 1. Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 1. Now the same method is here, but you have to multiply this number. मैंने इसके पहले वाला मेथड में जो constant term है उसको हम फैक्टर निकाले थे, लेकिन जब यहाँ पर ये कुछ नंबर है इस फॉर्म में है, तीन दोनों को इंटू कर लेते हैं. 4 into 1 4. 4 का फैक्टर उसी मेथड से निकालना. 1 into 4, 2 into 2. So we should choose one pair of factor so that the sum should be 5 and product will be 4 because these are the factors of 4. So this is the appropriate pair of factors because 1 plus 4, 5. 4x squared, as I have told you, you can change the order. 1x plus 4x or 4x plus 1x. So no change in the solution. 4x plus 1x, 1 you know very well, 1 is not written, which is understood, plus 1. Now what is common here? First two terms may common 4x. And here will be x, if you divide this, and it will be 1. No common, but 1 is common in every number. So 1 you can take the common and x plus 1. Now what is common? X plus 1 and remaining terms 4x plus 1. So these are the factors of this given polynomials if this is in this form. but you should be very careful when the signs are negative. So one question हम negative question को लिख भी बना देते हैं. So you will try to understand, and then you will be solving the question. Now you see question number 6. Factorize 4x square plus 8x minus 5. Now you see, this is in this form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal, and a equal to 4, b equal to 8, and c equal to minus 5. So 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 5, 20. Factors of 20, 1 into 20, 2 into 10, now divided by 3, 4 into 5. These are pairs of factors. Because if you multiply these two pairs, the product will be 20. But now you have to choose one pair so that the sum of these two factors should be 8. But here is साइन के देखिए यहाँ -20 है. -20 लाने के लिए इसमें देखिए 8 लाना है, इसमें तो आ जाएगा -20, कहीं से भी कर लेंगे माइनस, लेकिन 8 नहीं आता है इसमें देखिए +8 और -5. तो इसको अब इधर हम कर लेते हैं +10 और -2. तो +10 into -2 -20. And +10 or -2 simplify करेंगे तो +8. These are the pairs. This pair is the appropriate pair to split the middle term. 4x square, this 8x will be split in this form. -2x plus 10x. So this is the important step. If you understand, so there will be no problem in the question. So this is the split of 8x middle term, and now you take the first two term and last two term. What are the common in the first two terms? 4 and 2, common is 2, x square and x is common. You divide each term by this common. Divide 4x square by 2x, you will get 2x. 2x divided by 2, 1, so here will be 1. Now what is common here? 5 is common. Because 10 have 5 as a factor, so +5 common, and here will be 2x, and here will be -1. But you should be very careful. The terms inside the bracket in these two should be same. Sign will be same, the terms will be same, and so that you can take the common. Now you see what is common? 2x minus 1. And here will be 2x plus 5. These are the factors of this given polynomials. So I would like to re-explain in a very short time. First I explained you how will you factorize if the terms are in given difference of the squares. Formula that was a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Maybe some changes in the question, and you will try to use your intelligence, and then you can solve. Now if the formula, that question second, if the trinomial is in the form of x square plus bx plus c, I have already explained. And now the factorization of trinomial, with the trinomial in this form. तो इसमें क्या करते हैं सेकेंड एंड थर्ड मेथड में कि ये जो कांस्टेंट टर्म है उसका हम फैक्टर निकालते हैं. लेकिन जब इस टर्म में रहेगा तो इसको दोनों को इनटू करके वो कांस्टेंट मानेंगे 4 into 1. अब इस 4 को हम स्प्लिट करते हैं, फैक्टर निकालते हैं. और फैक्टर में जो पेयर निकालते हैं वो पेयर ऐसा होना चाहिए कि उसका सम या डिफरेंस +4. ये क्वेश्चन में जैसे यहाँ +8 लाना है, ये नहीं हुआ, ये क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज -2 और +10 इंटू करेंगे तो +8 आएगा. सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे +10 और -2. इफ यू चेंज द साइन, यदि आप यहाँ प्लस कर लें यहाँ माइनस तो गलत हो जाएगा. बोले क्यों सर? -20 तो आएगा लेकिन यहाँ -8 आ जाएगी, जबकि क्वेश्चन में है +8. So these are the important points you should keep in your mind when you solve the question. So my dear students, factorization very important in algebra, and you will try to solve. मैंने कहा कि different type of question, different methods are used, so very important, and then you will be solving, and if you have doubt, you will contact me. I will try to solve the solution. Thank you and have a nice day.